In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Ads conversions tracking to Wix. We'll set up Google's tag on your Wix site so your ad clicks and conversions are tracked accurately. Start by opening your Wix dashboard at manage.wix.com and choose the site you want to track. Make sure you're in the correct site's workspace before continuing. From the left menu, open Settings. This is where all your site-level connections live. Next, go to Marketing Integrations. Wix bundles the major pixels and tags here so you don't have to paste code manually. Find the Google Tag option and open it. This integration uses Google's latest tagging framework, which supports Google Ads conversions, Google Analytics 4, and other Google destinations through one unified tag. Click Connect to begin. Now it's time to set up your Google Tag ID. This ID is the identifier that tells Wix which Google tag to load. If you already have a Google tag in Google Ads or Google Analytics 4, copy its ID. It typically starts with AW for Google Ads or G for GA4. If you're not sure where to find it, in Google Ads you can open Tools and Settings, look for Google Tag, and copy the tag ID shown there. Using the same tag across your properties helps keep your data consistent. Back in Wix, paste your Google Tag ID into the field provided and confirm you want it loaded across your site. Wix will place the tag globally so it can capture page views and conversion events from all relevant pages. Save or apply the connection to lock it in. If you want to send the same data to multiple Google products, you can add additional tag destinations. This is optional, but it's helpful if you want Google Ads and Analytics 4 to receive the same signals without adding extra code. Use this when you manage both ads and analytics and want unified measurement. You can also activate advanced consent mode, which is optional. Turning this on lets Google adjust measurement based on your visitor's consent choices. When consent is granted, full cookies are used. When it isn't, Google models conversions in a privacy-safe way. This is especially useful if you operate in regions with strict privacy requirements and want more complete reporting while honoring user preferences. After connecting, publish your site if prompted and give Google some time to start receiving data. For peace of mind, use the Google Tag Assistant browser extension to verify the tag is firing, and then check your Google Ads conversions to confirm they're recording. That's it. Your Wix site is now ready to track Google Ads conversions through the Google Tag.